Hey, this is Crystal from Boto.io here to show you how to make a LooksRare floor Discord bot. So let's get started. We're going to go to the Botoverse, which is boto.io/bots, and type in LooksRare. And you see we've got a couple of recipes there that we can get started with, and we're going to go with the simplest one, which is LooksRare floor to Discord bot. So just click on Use Recipe. And what you'll see is just three simple blocks. The first one is the LooksRare NFT collection block, which just pulls in information about an NFT collection specifically to the LooksRare marketplace. The second one converts the floor price from Ethereum to USD. And then the final one just posts to Discord, and that's where you can configure the way the alert will look. So what we're going to start with is the contract address. This one has one filled in, but let's say we wanted to pull in a contract address from a collection that you already know. So I'm going to use one I really like, which is Crypto Coven. I'm going to copy it from Etherscan and come back to Boto, delete what's there, and paste it in. And you'll see this checkbox is checked. That means the alert will only post when the floor changes. But let's assume I want to get a regular update of the floor, even if it stays the same. I'm going to uncheck this box. I'm going to leave the Ethereum to USD block the way it is, and then go over to the Discord block. So I already have Boto authorized to post in certain channels on Discord, and they're going to show up over here in my drop-down list. But if you need to add a new one, just click on the plus sign and you'll get to the instructions that show you how to get Boto into your Discord. So going back, I'm going to choose Crystal Sandbox. And since I unchecked the box for the floor change, I'm going to remove this little part and leave the rest the same. So what it's going to do is show me the floor price in Ethereum and USD. I'm going to update the title, Crypto Coven LooksRare floor alert. The title is going to link to the collection, and I'm going to delete this and leave it blank. And that's it. So I'm going to rename it, make sure I put in the name of the NFT collection. Let's say I want this to go every hour, so I'm going to change this to 1 hour. Save, turn it on, and go to Discord and check this out. So here I am on my Discord channel, Crystal Sandbox, and you can see that the alert posted as soon as I turned on the bot. And then when I click on the title, it goes to the actual collection. Cool. If you want to set up any variations of this, you can go back to the Botoverse, boto.io/bots. Look up LooksRare. There might be more recipes the next time you come back. And you can see there are a couple of different variations. So you can build a Discord bot that has both OpenSea and LooksRare floors. Whoops. So that'll pull in from OpenSea, it'll pull in from LooksRare, and both of those get posted to Discord. Or we can go back and pull up the other recipe, which is a triple floor check, which has both the LooksRare and the OpenSea floor price, which are both listing prices, but also tosses in the sales floor price from Icy Tools. And you'll see this one post to Twitter, but if you wanted to set it up to post to Discord, just pull in the Discord block and tie all the three floor price blocks into Discord. And we'll delete the Twitter block. And just remember that each block that feeds into Discord has its own number. So this is number 1, this is number 3, and this is number 2. So if you want information from a specific block, you have to use its corresponding number. So if I want the LooksRare floor price, I have to put in number 1 and get the floor price, LooksRare. And if I want to get the sales floor price from Icy Tools, that's number 3. And Finally, to get the OpenSea price, I have to use number 2. OpenSea floor. I'm going to call this test floor triple whammy alert. Choose my channel. Check everything else. All good. Leave it at 1 day. Save. Turn it on. And let's see what turns up on Discord. There it is. Cool. So try this recipe out, see how it works for you. If you make any kind of variation, try to share the recipe in our Botoverse so other people can use that as well. Let us know if you have any questions. Find us on Discord or email us info@boto.io. And if you like what you're seeing, give us a follow on YouTube or on Twitter or both, and we'd really appreciate it. Thank you.